Dear students, today we will read Computer Science, Class 4th, Chapter 1, The Internet, a Window to the World. Imagine your cousin lives in a far-away city. It is his birthday and you want to wish him. You can video call him and give him your best wishes. How will you inform your friend about your wishes, about the birthday invitation? But how does a video call work? You will inform him by video call. But how does a video call works? The internet makes it possible. Our phone is connected to the internet, which allows us to video call another person. अब आप उसे कैसे बताएंगे कि आप उसे इनवाइट कर रहे हैं थ्रू योर वीडियो कॉल, और वीडियो कॉल कैसे पॉसिबल हो सकती है? इसे करने के लिए हमें इंटरनेट का कनेक्शन लेना पड़ता है फ़ोन पर, ठीक है। द टर्म इंटरनेट स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क। इंटरनेट से क्या मतलब है हमारा कि इंटरकनेक्टेड मीन्स आपस में कनेक्ट होना। क्या चीज़? ऑल कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड विद अ नेटवर्क, इट इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरनेट। A network is a group of computers connected to each other. नेटवर्क से मतलब है कि सारे कंप्यूटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हैं और यही कहलाता है इंटरनेट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। द इंटरनेट इज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ नेटवर्क्स दैट कनेक्ट्स कंप्यूटर्स एंड डिवाइसेस फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. इट अलाउज पीपल टू शेयर एंड कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन and communicate with each other. If we access internet connections, we can share our informations and communicate with each other in all over the world. The internet, how it all begins. अब सबसे पहले इंटरनेट जो वर्ड हम सुनते हैं वो स्टार्ट कब हुआ होगा? The internet is a very important part of our lives today. The internet starts from 1960s with ARPANET. ARPANET is the first internet developed by the United States Department of Defense. Connected computers at different universities for research and learning. जब सबसे पहले इंटरनेट का यूज़ स्टार्ट हुआ तो इसका यूज़ किया जाता था कहाँ पर? यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में रिसर्च के लिए और डिफेंस डिपार्टमेंट, ठीक है। इट वॉज नॉट अप्रोचेबल फॉर कॉमन पीपल. आफ्टर 11 years in 1971, the dawn of email means email was invented, allowing people to send messages over ARPANET. ईमेल के थ्रू अब लोग अपने मैसेजेस को ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते थे ARPANET का यूज़ करते हुए, ओके। आफ्टर 1971, 1983 इंटरनेट एक्सेस फॉर ऑल द इंटरनेट became accessible to the public. आप देख रहे हैं कि 1983 से पहले इंटरनेट कॉमन पब्लिक के लिए अप्रोचेबल नहीं था. 1983 से इंटरनेट एक कॉमन पब्लिक के लिए अप्रोचेबल हो गया, बट इट वॉज नॉट टू मच कॉमन जस्ट लाइक टूडेज वर्ल्ड. 1989 द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, व्हेन इंटरनेट वॉज वेरी अप्रोचेबल for common people. From 1989, the World Wide Web means WWW was created, connecting websites with lots of information. Now, it was possible from 1989 for the peoples to take the connection of internet and to transfer their information to the different parts of the world, from offices, from schools or any other places. In 1991, the rise of online shopping starts. CERN made the first website for online shopping and shaping the modern internet. In 1995, a more user-friendly web starts, which is called web browsers, with pictures made the internet more popular and user-friendly. In the year 2000s, the age of social media started. Social media, like Facebook and Twitter, changed how people connect and talk online. Just like in today's world, most of the people are connected with each other by Facebook or by WhatsApp, Instagram, and all these. In 2010s, the cloud computing era started. Cloud computing allowed access to files and programs from anywhere in the world. Through cloud computing, we can get our information from any devices which are connected with internet in all over the world. In 2020s, the emerging new technologies like artificial intelligence and virtual reality continue to change how we use the internet and interact with the world. अब आप देख रहे हैं कि आज स्कूल्स में एक नया सब्जेक्ट AI आप लोगों को कराया जाता है, जिसमें कि आपको ये सिखाते हैं कि किस तरीके से कंप्यूटर अब AI से कनेक्ट होके बहुत सारे एडवांस फीचर्स ले आया है, जिसमें कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का यूज़ करके ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरीके थिंक एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग एबिलिटी आ गई है. ओके, नाउ इट इज क्लियर. वी आर गोइंग अहेड. बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर एन इंटरनेट. तो फॉर टेकिंग द कनेक्शन ऑफ इंटरनेट देयर आर सम बेसिक requirements. We need a computer and an internet connection to start exploring the internet. To set up an internet connection, we need the following. What is modem, ISP and communication media? What is modem? Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It is a device that helps your computer connect to the internet. A modem converts digital signals into analog signal. It is very important point. A modem is a device that converts digital signals into analog signals and also analog signals into digital signals. But what are the analog and digital signals? Okay, I'll explain. Think of a switch on the switchboard of your house. You can do only two things, which switch on and off. Just like this, our signals also transmit into the computer in the on-off stage. Now think of a fan speed knob or regulator on the switchboard. It changes the speed at which the fan spins. Instead of just switching it on or off, we can have the fan spin at the fastest speed, reduce it to a slower speed, then much slower, and finally switch it off. We can do more things with the regulator than the switch. That is how analog signal is. Now ISP, an internet service provider. Full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. ISP is a company that provides you access to the internet. If we want to take the connection of internet, we have to concern with ISP. ISP is a company which provides us the access to the internet. For this, we have to pay some amount. Okay. Now, communication media. Communication media helps us connect to the internet. Let us see some of their types. Number 1 is DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. It is a type of communication media that uses your telephone line to transmit data. For this connection, we need a telephone line to transmit data. Okay. Second is cable. Cable wire is a type of communication media that uses the existing cable television wires to connect your computer to the internet. Okay, for this cable wire is required. Cable wire is just like the normal wire, but it is quite essential for the communication process. Fibers. Next is fiber. Fiber optic cable is a type of communication media that uses light rays to connect your computer to the internet. You have to underline this. Fiber optic cable is a type of communication media that uses light rays to connect your computer to the internet. Fiber optic cables are much faster than copper or cable wire. In fiber cables, the data travels in the form of light. Okay, underline this one. The data travels in the form of light. Nothing in the universe travels faster than the light. As you know, that light travels the fastest than sound also. So, internet through fiber optic cables is often the fastest type of internet connection available. So, it is the best technology for communication media. Okay. Now we are going to the next page. Basic terminologies of internet. Okay. Before this, we will complete these true false. Sentence is given. An ISP is a company that provides you an internet connection. True or false? True. The modem is like a translator between your computer and the internet. True. The DSL is the fastest type of internet connection. False. Because in the previous page you have read that it is not the fastest, it is the oldest technology. Basic terminologies of internet. Web pages, websites, www and web browser. What is web pages? Web pages just like the page of the book. You know children, page of the book. Just like this is one page. In the same way, web page is a digital document on the internet. It can have text, images, videos and other content. Just like in this page there are some pictures also given to make it interesting. In the same way, web page is just like a page which has text, images, videos and other contents. Websites. Website is a collection of web pages that are all related to the each other. Website is the collection of web pages just like your book. Yes, there are so many pages in the book. In the same way, website has many pages. www, World Wide Web. The www or World Wide Web is a huge source of information that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. It is a collection of websites with pages of information on the internet. You can use it to learn new things, stay connected with friends and family and entertain yourself. Okay, the World Wide Web is the best source to connect yourself with the other world. Web browser. Web browser is a program that lets you see websites on the internet. To see a website, you need to type the website's address. Just like if you want to go to your friend, you need an address to go. In the same way, website's address is very essential into web browser and press enter key. When you enter the website address, then you can find it out where you want to go. Examples of web browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, Opera. Just like these are given in the Lower side, Chrome, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Safari. All these, in which you are very familiar, I think, with Google Chrome and Opera. Yeah. We can use a web browser to perform the following task. What a web browser can do is searching for information. First of all, to search any information, we can just write the address and about our information which we want to search, okay, in the search box, and then we will find a lot of information about this topic. Next, reading news. We can read news by using the web browsers. Shopping online, as you are very familiar with it. Playing games, you can play so many games. Learning new messages, new things. Communication. These are all the advantages of using the web browsers. Now, Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser made by Google. Google is a company, you know. It is one of the most popular browsers in the world. It is fast and easy to use, and it has a lot of features such as ability to sync your bookmark and browsing history across devices. Okay. What is Google Chrome, friends? Google Chrome is a web browser. Just like you are studying here, it is one among these. Opening Google Chrome. Steps to open Google Chrome. Now, how will you start? Select Start. Now, search for Google Chrome. Click on the app icon to open it. When the Chrome web page opens, you will see that it has many parts. Address bar, back and forward button, refresh button, tabs, bookmark, okay. Address bar. First of all, address bar, this is where you type in the address of a website. Just like in this picture, you can see address bar is given here, okay. Starting button, select start button, okay. Back and forward buttons. These buttons allow you to go back or forward to the previous or the next page. Refresh button, this button reloads the page. If it's not loading properly, you can go to the refresh button. Tabs allows us to open multiple websites at the same time. At the same time, you can add more than 2 or 3 websites, okay, and work together. Now, bookmarks. Bookmarks allow us to save websites to visit again later. Other than the main options, we can find some additional options in the Google Chrome. We can find these options if we click on the triple dot button in the top right hand corner of the browser. Triple button, in which we can just see here. This option is here. By clicking on this, we can find some additional option in the Google Chrome, okay. Print. For this print, this option allows you to print the current web page. If our web page is ready, we want to print it, we can click on print option. Zoom. This option allows you to zoom in or out of the different current web page. Means zoom in or you can make it bigger in size. Zoom out, you can make it smaller in size. Okay, shape. History. This option allows you to see a list of all the websites you have visited recently by searching in the history, okay. History means you understand that what you have just read or seen here, how many pages you make here, you can see all this. Search engines. Search engines help you find information on the internet. The internet has billions of websites, so you can find almost anything instantly. There are so many sites available about each and every information. Some examples of search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo. Okay, these are most common. Google is the most popular search engine in the world. It has a vast database of websites and can help you find almost anything you are looking for. Bing is the second most popular search engine in the world. It is owned by Microsoft and is often used as the default search engine on Windows computers. Third is Yahoo. Yahoo is a search engine that was created in 1994. It is one of the world's oldest and most popular search engine. I think this is clear. URL. What is URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Imagine you are going to your friend's house. For the first time, your friend tells you his house address, which helps you find your friend's house. Without address, you can't move. Similarly, when we want to open a website, we need a Uniform Resource Locator, URL. It is like a website address. It tells your computer where the website is located on the internet. It is a unique address that identifies a website on the internet. Now, net surfing. Net surfing is visiting website, just like you can see in the picture. Okay, watching videos, listening to music, and doing other things online. Okay, doing all these things online is called net surfing. To net surf, you need a computer or a mobile device with an internet connection and a web browser. It is a way to find new things, to learn about and have fun, to know about all the new things and to have fun, to play games. We need net surfing. Okay, dear friends, it is completed now. We will do exercise also. What does the term www stands for? The correct answer is World Wide Web. Next is match the following. I had already matched it. So you can see, what is this? This is the symbol of Safari. What is this? It is also Google Chrome. What is this? This is the symbol for Microsoft Edge, and this is for Opera. You will learn it for examination also. I will send all information and exercises in the next video. We will discuss about it. Till then, you prepare it and read it again. If any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, bye.